Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Whirlpool Dishwasher Upper Spray Arm. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new Upper Spray Arm. The Upper Spray Arm helps clean the dishes in the upper dish rack. The main reason you'll be changing it out so it's lost or damaged and the dishes aren't getting clean. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Once you have the door open, we're going to pull the rails out so we can take the end caps off. To get the end caps off, you just have to come from the back side with a small flathead screwdriver and press on this release tab. You can lift up on it and pull it off the rail. The other side comes off the same way. Once you have this side off, we can pull the rack out and set it aside. Once you have it out, you can push the rails back in. Now that we have the upper rack out, we have access to the upper spray arm. It's mounted here on the end of the water supply tube. There's two metal retaining clips right here that we have to release so we can pull the supply tube down a little bit. You have to press on those to flex it and release it. Then you can just unhook the other side and pull it down so we have access to the retainer. Once you have it released, we can reach in with a small flathead screwdriver and get underneath this retainer to pop it off. A lot of times these retainers are old and brittle. It's just going to break as you're trying to take it off. Once you have it released, you can drop the upper spray arm off and pull it out of the dishwasher. Here's the old upper spray arm next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new upper spray arm on, we're just going to pull the water supply tube down a little bit and put the spray arm on. We can push the retainer in from the back side, make sure it clips on. Once you have it snapped into place, we can lift the water supply tube up and clip it onto the metal retainer clip. To put the upper rack back in, we're going to pull the rails out a little bit. We can line up the wheels and push it in. Once you have the wheels in, we can push the rack in, but pull out the rails so we can put the end caps on. To put the end caps on, all you have to do is line them up on the rails and snap them into place. Once you have this one on, we can do the other side. Once you have the end caps on, you can push the upper rack back in, close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.